Hey there, and welcome. Today we're jumping into something really cool. What if our buildings could do more than just, stand there? What if they were designed to be smarter, more efficient, and way healthier for us and for the planet? Well, that's the whole idea behind sustainable building. So, let's get into it.
So, let's just start with this big thought, right? What if the very walls around you, in your home, at your office, could do more than just shelter you? What if they could actually help protect the planet and even make you healthier? It sounds kind of like science fiction, but it's the real question at the heart of this whole movement.
And here's the big idea. A sustainable building is basically designed to do two things at once: be great for the environment and be great for the people inside. You can think of it like a high-performance space that sips resources instead of guzzling them, creates way less waste, and just gives us a healthier, more comfortable place to live and work.
Okay, so that's the what. But what about the how? How do they actually pull this off? What is it that makes a building truly sustainable? Let's kind of peek behind the curtain and look at the core features that make these designs work so well.
It pretty much boils down to these four key pillars. We're talking about using energy in a really intelligent way, being super smart with water, choosing the right stuff to build with, and, this is a cool one, weaving nature right into the building itself. Let's break them down. So when it comes to energy, the approach is just brilliantly simple. It's like a 1-2 punch. First, you use what's totally free. We're talking about massive windows for natural light and clever designs for fresh air. Then, for everything else, you use what's smart. That means solar panels on the roof, super efficient LED lights, and appliances that just don't waste power. It's basically common sense, just supercharged with today's tech. And what these buildings are made of? Oh yeah, that's a huge piece of the puzzle. The old school way of building meant always using brand new resources and making a ton of waste. The sustainable approach completely flips that script. It's all about using recycled and eco-friendly materials, which not only saves our natural resources, but also slashes pollution. It's a total game changer.
And it just keeps going. We're also seeing these really clever ways to save water, like systems that harvest rainwater or faucets in showers that use less water without even feeling a difference. Plus, and this might be the best part, these buildings are designed for us, for our health. Things like green roofs, gardens, and way better air quality. They all create spaces that just feel amazing to be in.
Okay, so we've seen all the cool features, but what's the bottom line? Why does any of this really matter? Let's talk about the payoff, because the benefits are real, and they affect all of us. When you've put it all together, the results are just huge. It's this awesome mix of personal and planetary wins. First off, your bills are lower because you're just not using as much energy and water. Simple. Second, you feel better. Cleaner air and more natural light just do wonders for your health. Third, less pollution, which is a win for everyone. And to top it all off, these buildings are often worth more. It's a win-win-win-win. And honestly, this is what it all comes down to. You don't have to choose between saving some money or saving the planet. This kind of smart design lets you do both. You can literally lower your monthly bills while you're shrinking your carbon footprint. How great is that? There's a line from the source material that just nails it. Sustainable buildings are a smart choice for modern construction. It's not some far-out niche idea anymore. It's just a smarter, more logical way to build for the world we live in right now. So about all this, let's zoom out for a second. What does this all mean for the bigger picture? For the towns and cities we're all going to be living in? If you take away just one single thing today, let it be this. The whole philosophy here is just beautifully simple. What's good for people and what's good for the planet, well, they're exactly the same thing. And that leaves us with one last really important question, doesn't it? The tech is here, the know-how exists, the benefits are crystal clear. So as we keep building our world, the choice of how we do it, that's really up to us. Thanks for digging into this with me.